Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So very first of all, what we are going to do over here is let's just select this area over here. We're slightly shifting it till here. So we'll be creating few of the things so if we want this glass part over here, so we need to select this first, and let's just give a bit of inset over here. Click OK, and let's just slightly extrude it inside. Click OK. After this, we'll take a box over here. Let's just take a box. So after taking a box over here, let's just push this box over here and convert to editable poly. Press 4 over here, and let's just give a bit of inset to it. So we'll be assigning some inset over here. Also, we'll be assigning some kind of loop over here. Right click and isolate this. So this is for your glass section over here. Select this over here. We'll just slightly push this out. Again, go into this polygons. Select this polygons over here, and let's just give a bit of inset over here again, and let's again extrude it a bit over here. Again, take a box over here. Let's take a box. So after taking a box, let's just push this box inside, convert to editable poly. Select this polygon, select this polygon, and let's just give a bit of inset to it, and again go into the swift loop over here. So let's just assign a swift loop and isolate this. So that will be definitely inside over here. Save your file. So that would work over here also. So select this part. We can slightly we can just push this over here. Again, take a box. Let's go into this view over here. So we can just select this polygon over here. So now let's again take a box over here. Just drag a box over here and drag it a bit out, scale it, push it a bit inside, convert to editable poly, press 4, and let's use a bit of inset to it. So how you are going to create this water look? So for this, we'll go over here. We'll just increase its size over here. I'll go again to the top view over here, although it's not visible. So we'll go to the top view over here, and let's just take a rectangle over here. So over here, so let's just take a rectangle. and let's give again a extrude modifier. So for this 23.5, same 3.5 extrusion will be done. After it is done over here, we'll be again taking a plane over here. So let's go to the top view, and how much water part you need, you can just take a plane over here like this and increase its segments over here, and let's give a noise modifier and reduce its scale of noise over here. We can just give a bit of noise over here. Still you can go into this plane, give a noise, so we can give a bit of noise, and let's just give a mesh smooth on it to make it more smoother. So definitely when we will be assigning a texture, then it will look good over here. So just save your file for now over here. After that, what we are going to create over here is we need to create this kind of couches. Before that, we'll be creating again a glass over here. So let's go into this view over here. Let's again take a swift loop. So again take a box over here. So let's just take a box again till here. So before we do this, select this, select the polygon, give inset, and let's slightly extrude it inside, and now select this, scale a bit, and just push it more inside over here. So you can just slightly shift it over here, convert to poly, push the vertices a bit up, select this, push the vertices to the left, push it to the right, and push it to the left. So select this both, and again give inset over here, and let's use one swift loop over here, one here, and isolate. Save your file. Alright, so for this glasses we have to create this. So again I'll slightly push it inside more over here. So press 4 again, give a bit of inset, and let's slightly extrude it inside. Let's take again a box over here, so slightly shift it inside, so convert to editable poly, so just push it over here, press 4, and let's give again inset and isolate. That's it. save your file. So we have first will be just, before we duplicate this, slightly will just push this down, select this all, let's just duplicate it, and we'll drag it over here, just it, that's it. So we have a small stool which is just left out, we'll create that. So just push this out over here, just set it. Alright, so save it. So if you require to give some details, we can go with this details, not a problem. So for this details, we can just give some loops over here first. So just give some connect to it. Just give few connects. And let's go into this and give a mesh smooth over here, much better. So let's just delete this and let's just duplicate this over here. Save your file again. So whatever the details are there, that will be created. So let's just take a small box over here. Let's just create a small box, slightly just push it up, convert to editable poly. So let's go into this, select the edges, let's just give to connect, select this, just give to connect, go into polygons and just extrude it down. Click OK and then isolate this. That's it. So once it is created, and you can just shift it over here. Alright. So guys, if you have any doubts, please write it in the comment section. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.